I'm going to guide you on how to join public Discord server on a mobile phone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, as you can see, I've already logged in into my Discord account, and if you see on that bar on your left, there is no option for joining public Discord account, because if you tap on that plus icon, we just see join server. But if you tap on join server, you will be required to join with an invite link. So if you go back, we will not see that icon for joining public Discord servers. So what you need to do is to close this one. Then you will go and open your Google Chrome. Then go to search and search for Discord. Discord.com/login. So you are going to tap on that. It will ask for login details, then you will be able to log in your Discord account through the website. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. Now if you look on that bar on your left, you are going to see now icon which looks as a compass. So if you tap on it, now you are going to see all of the public servers here, which you can just tap and join. So you'll be just scrolling down to see the server which you want to join. Let's say, for example, for Minecraft, if you just tap on it, as you can see, this is public Discord server for Minecraft. Now if you tap on those three lines on your top left corner, you are going to see Minecraft has been added as one of your servers on the sidebar. If you want to join another public Discord server, you are just going to tap on the compass icon on the bar at the left. And then once you are here, you can explore different kind of servers. If you go to gaming at the top there, you will go to popular gaming servers. If you go to music, you will be able to see popular music servers. And if you tap on more, you will be able to select the server that you want to join, the public server that you want to join. If it is education, you just tap education. Then you'll be able to see popular education servers here, which are public, which you can join. So that's how you can join public Discord server on mobile. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.